жить, как говорится, хорошо.
Nah, it's too prosaic. We won't just drink beer, today we'll cook with it.
To cook a melt-in-your-mouth beef stew, you'll need a little bit of effort and about 3 hours of patience. If you don't have a fire pit, don't worry, you can cook this stew on the stove.
But a good cast iron pot is a must.
You'll also need the beef. After many times cooking this dish, we've found that oyster blade is the best cut for it.
Carrots,
Onions,
butter and oil.
a couple of sprigs of fresh rosemary if you have it, some thyme,
We like to add some coriander seed powder.
garlic,
Potatoes, they will go in later in the cooking process.
and of course the beer. The key rule when cooking with beer is to never cook with the beer that you wouldn't otherwise drink.
Okay, so start off by melting the butter or heating up oil on fire.
We usually use both butter and oil.
Once the butter starts to sizzle, we will add the onions. And don't forget rosemary, what we quite often do.
When the onions have become translucent or a bit brown, depending on the heat of your fire, it's time to add the meat.
Once the meat has been browned evenly, it's time to add the beer to join the mix. Next, add the carrots, herbs, and spices.
Add the garlic. You can crush the stock cube and put that in now. For the sauce mix, what I do is I add a little bit of liquid smoke, some tamari, dash of cayenne pepper, molasses dissolved in a little bit of hot water, and some bourbon. Now you've got everything in the pot and you want to let it cook for about 2 hours on a medium to low heat.
When you feel that your stew has about 30 minutes left, it's time to add the potatoes. And, well, wait again.
When the potatoes are soft, you're ready to serve.
You can eat the stew with or without a side.
We tend to like it with rice or mashed potatoes.
Кушать подано, садитесь жрать, пожалуйста.
Приятного
Приятного
аппетита!
аппетита!